Bitcoin price surges as once again it overtakes that $1 trillion market cap. US House just now passed a $1.9 trillion COVID-19 stimulus bill, which will include a $1,400 stimulus check for Americans. Banking giant Goldman Sachs in more demand of Bitcoin. I don't know about you guys, but this sounds bullish for me. And please, if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. I appreciate everything you guys do, and hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And without further ado, let's get into this video. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be talking about a couple of things, and it's mostly bullish, starting with this article that I found on Cointelegraph made by Turner Wright that says Bitcoin demand from Goldman Sachs clients is rising, says COO, and that is already bullish as it is. US banking giant Goldman Sachs recently decided to restart its cryptocurrency trading desk, which they've had before. We'll come back to that. This has reportedly led to an increased demand for digital assets among its customer base. According to a Reuters report, Goldman Sachs Chief Operating Officer John Waldron said the firm is exploring how to meet an increasing demand from clients looking to invest in Bitcoin. I mean, this goes to show that there's a lot of demand still out in the market. And if you think this is the top, or we already hit the top and we are on a decline, it's totally wrong. There's still a lot of demand for it. There's still a lot of retailers that has invested, and banks are just starting to dip their toes into it. I mean, it just recently started up their cryptocurrency trading desk. I mean, it is not close to the top. This is very bullish for Bitcoin as a whole. And Goldman Sachs would continue to evaluate and engage on crypto for consumers, said the COO. This is crazy. If you know Goldman Sachs history and how they came to be and how they've been doing all these years, you would know that they are making money either way. They are very innovative in any market. So I'm really excited to see what they do with cryptocurrency. What are they planning for their customers? How will they meet this demand? Goldman also reportedly exploring the launch of a Bitcoin exchange traded fund, an ETF. Maybe that's one of the things they are continuing to evaluate, along further ways to custody digital assets. So there's a lot more on the table here than just an ETF, but that in itself is bullish. Warren said the current pandemic has been a significant accelerant for online purchases and would likely cause an explosion in digital currency payments, which is great. Now, some people see Goldman Sachs' entrance as a bearish indicator, as you can see here from this tweet made by Peter Brand showing when Goldman Sachs set up their crypto desk back in 2017, and it just happened to be at the absolute top, and we all know what happened after that everything went downhill, and now they're establishing their other crypto trading desk in this bull market, and that got people a little bit afraid. But obviously it can be argued that this is absolutely not the same market as we were back in 2017. It's a completely different market, much more demand, many more retailers, so this can be disputed. Moving on, guys. As you can see, Bitcoin just passed the 1 trillion market cap again for the second time, which is absolutely insane. We are back at above $55,000, which I expect it to go up way more now when the $1.9 trillion COVID-19 stimulus package has been passed. Biden is to sign it on Friday, and when the check hits the bank accounts of the many Americans that will receive the free $1,400, the market, I expect, to pump and so the Bitcoin dominance. As you know, alts has been a little bit stagnant lately. Not much gains as we see on a huge rally of altcoins. Some altcoins have been mooning, and some altcoins have been stagnant or even been bleeding a little bit. But I expect the money to flow from Bitcoin down to the larger caps and then down to the low caps, as it always does. A quick look at some altcoins. AVAX is one of the winners lately, with a huge recovery it did. As you can see here, it was about at its all-time high around 57 US dollars at 11th of February, and then went on a steady decline all the way down to $25. Actually, it went down to 23, long at about 25, and it's been steadily recovering now since the unlock happened, and it's now trading at around 31 US dollar. Another winner to talk about is Uniswap. Yes, I know, Uniswap, the DEX exchange that we all know of. I mean, Uniswap has been on a absolute tear. I mean, if you just start from 2021, you can see it was about $4 something this January, which wasn't that long ago, and it made this huge run all the way now trading at $30. And Uniswap V3 has been heavily hinted by some people on Twitter and on Telegram, so I expect that to finish anytime now. And if they address and fix the issues of the current Uniswap router, this will be way bigger. I mean, guys, decentralized exchanges is the future, because we're trying to make everything decentralized, and Uniswap really has a good shot of making it. Alright, on to some other news. An NFT just now sold for record-breaking $69 million. Interesting number. But if you see who the artist is, you wouldn't be surprised. It is Beeple himself, the NFT artist in the market right now. He is the biggest one, and understandably so. His art is beautiful. Even though I do not own any NFTs right now, I can very much see the appeal. NFTs has been on a crazy run the past few weeks, and I think it's gonna continue to do so. I mean, I really can see the appeal in this, and actually this art piece was listed at Christie's, which is now one of the biggest auction houses out there, and now is accepting payments in Ether, which is a huge W for the crypto community. Well, if you want some NFT coins to invest in, I am currently invested in B20. It's a little bit of a different one, a special one. It's an NFT fund, and what makes this so valuable is that they own 10 pieces of Beeple's own art. So I guess if the art goes up in value, this coin will also go up in value, is my reasoning for investing in this. But obviously do your own research. I don't have that much money in it, just to be a little bit exposed. But that is it. NFTs, crazy. Alrighty guys, that was the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and do not forget to hit that thumbs up, man. That helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe if you haven't to. And if you don't follow my Twitter, you can do it here. It's at All the Crypto. And while you are there, don't forget to join our Telegram. We are a very active community. We have very good calls in there. I made so much money just by being in that TG. Very talented people. So join that Telegram if you can. Thank you guys so much for watching again. I appreciate you guys very much so, and I'll see you in the next one.